Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You just need to check my video description for this site link. Just scroll down and go to files and select the manual download option. Select the slow download option. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into the site guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account and it will start download. Just need to select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select bin drive and select extract to. To the extract and open the folder and make this left. On right side you just need to navigate to the game folder guys. After you are in the game folder you just need to go to content folder and scripts folder. Just drag and drop these files in here and select the replace the file in the destination. Now just to close stuff here and enjoy the mod guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.